Welcome everyone. Stage 6 load shedding and this unbearable heat wave, so you'll have to forgive me for this frizzy air. But it's not only me sizzling in heat wave conditions, the Northern Cape as well as the Karoo, including this little Karoo, the Eastern Cape as well as the western parts of the Free State currently baking under heat wave conditions. And even though the Weather Service has not included Gauteng in heat wave conditions, I know some parts of the province have already reached the threshold. But the question is, when can we expect rain? Let's see. This high pressure system dominating over the western interior is basically acting like a heat cap and trapping the heat, also decreasing the possibility of moisture and thunderstorms, with only a few heat-induced thunderstorms likely this week over the southern parts of the country, mainly over the interior of the Eastern Cape, and showers moving over the low veld. And it's only by Sunday that a band of showers will start to move down from Namibia, with very isolated thunderstorms likely over the western parts. But my biggest concern on Thursday is actually this gusting northwesterly wind expected over the interior of the Northern Cape, especially in the Karoo, and the combination of this extremely strong wind as well as the extreme heat is perfect conditions for runaway fires. So a high fire danger in place on Thursday for large parts of the Cape provinces. Mainly dry across South Africa, with only a few isolated thunderstorms likely over the southern areas, becoming scattered north of East London in the vicinity of Bishu. And it's exactly there where the Weather Service is also warning against severe thunderstorms. In the Western Cape, at least a few degrees cooler, but still hot in parts of Renosterberg as well as Clan William. Winds picking up along the coast as well as after another extremely hot day in the Karoo. Runaway fires at risk in the Little Karoo, but then later a few heat-induced thunderstorms might bring some relief to the heat here and there. And extremely hot in the Eastern Cape, 41 degrees in Graaff-Reinet, 37 in Adelaide, a 30% chance of thunderstorms, but storms are expected to become scattered over Bishu as well as Kumani, where the Weather Service is warning against severe thunderstorms. A northeasterly wind gusting at times along the coast of the Eastern Cape. The Weather Service has also issued a level 2 yellow warning for gusting winds in that area. In KwaZulu-Natal, another sunny, hot and humid day with temperatures above 30 degrees. It is cloudy at first with a slight chance of drizzle along the eastern escarpment. Otherwise, mainly sunny over the high veld with temperatures in the upper 20s. Also mostly cloudy at first in the low veld and along the escarpment, but heating up nicely in Limpopo, 31 degrees in Tzaneen as well as Phalaborwa, and 32 degrees in Thabazimbi. Another sunny, dry and hot day for northwest, with maximum temperatures soaring above 30 degrees and reaching the upper 30s over the western areas. The Northern Cape will continue to bake during heat wave conditions on Thursday. The mercury soaring above 40 degrees in Upington as well as parts of the Kalahari, and gusting northwesterly winds will result in runaway fires as well as dusty conditions in the Karoo. In the Free State, heat wave conditions over the western areas, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, and still lots of sunshine and hot in Gauteng, and uncomfortable 34 expected in Pretoria, and dusty conditions expected in Gauteng. On Friday, the western interior will continue to sizzle in heatwave conditions with temperatures in the upper 30s, reaching 40 degrees yet again. Parts of the Northern Cape, the only chance of thunderstorms on Friday as well as Saturday expected over the interior of the Eastern Cape and the southern areas of South Africa. And then later into the weekend, an onshore flow will bring in a few showers to the low veld, but still lots of sunshine and remaining uncomfortably hot in Gauteng. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.